Hi family, welcome back to our channel. Welcome back. So today we're going to be making fried chicken. So yes, if you're someone who likes cooking, mom lifestyle, immigration settling in, please do well to tune into the channel. So now with me, we're going to be adding the spices because we have to make that chicken flavorful. Add the ginger, grounded garlic, nutmeg. So we're going to go ahead and add our smoked paprika, thyme, and rosemary, and then we're going to add our non aromatic. So these seasonings, you can get it at any supermarket of your choice or wherever you get your seasoning. Here in the UK, I usually get mine from Lidl or Aldi. Then go on and add your dried peppers, then salt. Then let's mix it up. So if you have a baby like me, please do well to wear your gloves. Now we're adding our Knorr seasoning cubes in there. Use any seasoning cubes of your choice. So we made a pepper mix, which was onions, bell peppers, and scotch bonnet peppers. And now we're going to pour that in. Be generous with your seasonings and pepper and the spices. Like, we want that chicken to be so succulent and flavorful, and we want the flavors to penetrate to the bone of the chicken, not only the skin of the chicken having all the flavors and juices while the inside is bland. No, we're not doing that this year. We want our chicken to be flavorful. So now we're going to go ahead and cover it. I marinated mine for like a while and some hours, but you can just go ahead and fry immediately. Then now we're going to pop in our fries because, as I say, we're having chicken and chips. So we're saving the budget this year. We're making it all at home. So go ahead and add your all-purpose flour or plain flour. Then add your salt and repeat the seasoning that we added to the meat. Be generous with your seasoning because you're not cooking this. We're just frying it directly. So we want our chicken to be so juicy and flavorful. So yes, now we're going to go ahead and add our seasoning cubes, grounded ginger, paprika, and the list goes on and on and on. So now that we're making this, please tell me in the comment section if you're going to be trying out this recipe and how many of you are like me who are trying to be conscious of how much we spend. So yes, I am using this as a means to bond as a family. We cook together. I would just call it our Sunday treats, have a nice treats every week, so we'll just get to do it ourselves. Now we'll bring out the marinated chicken and then we'll toss it in the flour. Make sure that the flour gets into it, mix it properly, and then put it into your oil. Make sure your oil is deep and big enough. Yes, and then put it in there and reduce the heat. You don't want it to be on a high heat that it starts burning outside but the inside is not cooked properly. So yes, we're going to fry that for 8 minutes. So reduce your heat and allow it to fry so that the inside gets cooked properly. So let's do that. Yes, I know we're digressing, but tell me in the comment section, am I the only one that finds this frying, sizzling sound to be very, very intriguing and satisfying? If you do find it satisfying, please do want to let me know in the comment section. Yes, I just wanted to put that out there. I just wanted to ask if I'm the only word person. Yeah, now let's get back to it. Now take a look at this golden brown crispy chicken. Yes, like this is the color you want it to be. Now tell me, can your KFC do this? This is giving KFC standard and some. So please look at that. And now it's done. We're going to bring it out and put that in our paper towel or sieve for it to dry up. Yeah. So please, before we end this, please do not forget to like, share, subscribe, comment. You can drop any questions you like, whatever type of videos you want to see more from me. You can drop that in the comment section below. Please don't forget to like, share, subscribe. Please, let's grow this our young family. And And moving back to this chicken, like, can you see that crispy chicken? Like, it says so yummy, trust me. I wish you guys could test it. So now look at it, voila, this is the last part. We get to dish our chips, and then we added some ketchup by the side as a dip. So tell me, are you going to be trying this recipe? And I hope you enjoyed this video the way I enjoyed making it. See you on the next one. Bye.